Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve this radical equation here. 4th root of 5 minus 1 multiply with 4th root of 5 plus 1 plus 4th root of 125 plus root 5. So let's start with the today's video solution. So as we know the rule and root a is equals to, we can write it as a power 1 by n. So here we can write it as 5 power 1 by 4 minus 1, and here also 5 power 1 by 4 plus 1 plus 125 power 1 by 4 plus 5 power 1 by 2. Now we have to multiply, so 125 power 1 by 4 we can simplify as 125, we can write it as 5 times 5 times 5, that is 5 power 3, and whose whole power is 1 by 4. So according to exponent rule, that is a power m power n is equals to a power mn. So we can write it as 5 power 3 by 4. So I'm going to replace it by 5 power 3 by 4. Now first we multiply 5 power 1 by 4 with the bracket, now with minus 1. So 5 power 1 by 4 multiplied by 5 power 1 by 4. So a power m multiply a power n is equals to a power m plus n. So we can write 5 power 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, that is 5 power 2 by 4 equals to 5 power 1 by 2. So here 5 power 1 by 2 plus, when we multiply by 1, 5 power 1 by 4 plus, now 5 power 1 by 4 multiply 5 power 3 by 4. So again we are going to use this property. So 5 power 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4, that is 5 power 1 plus 3, 4 by 4, that is equals to 1. So it's give us only 5. Plus 5 power 1 by 4 multiply 5 power 1 by 2. So 5 power 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. 5 power 4, 1 plus 2. So 5 power 3 by 4. Now with minus 1, so everything comes out same except the signs are changed. Now 5 plus 5 power 1 by 2 eliminate the minus 5 power 1 by 2. Similarly, plus 5 power 1 by 4 eliminate the minus 5 power 1 by 4. And plus 5 power 3 by 4 eliminates the 5 power minus 5 power 3 by 4. So what is left? 5 minus 1, that is 4. I hope it's clear and easy to solve. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.